Hey friends, if Bing chat is not working and you encounter the error E010007, E010014, E010006, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's what you can do about it. Open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner, and then select help and feedback and click on about Microsoft Edge. It will start checking and it will say Microsoft Edge is up to date. Next one is to click on this and then select what do we say, help and feedback. So select settings this time. Go to the reset tab and then select restore settings to their default value and reset it. So this is the best that you can do, and other than that you can click on these three dots, select history, click on this bin like symbol here, select the time range as all time and select clear now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.